Hello students, yesterday in the story we were actually seeing about a man who comes daily to Nagen's tea shop, and his name has been actually given here. He was an old person. Yeah, his name is actually Mr. Sanyal. He was an old person and he comes daily to Nagen's shop, to Nagen's tea shop, and he does not have money to take tea every day, so he just sit there, he just passes his time, and after a while he just left from there. So here he was again sitting there when Aditya and narrator actually reached there, and then as it was the time for the customers to come, Nagen actually asked that man to leave the place now. So seeing all this, Aditya started to think that this man looks a bit crazy, because he stood up suddenly, stretched himself and raised his right arm and began to recite a poem by Tagore. So why Aditya is thinking that man is behaving like a crazy and he looks as if he is a mad? Because that man suddenly stood up and he just stretches his body and started to recite a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. And what the poem was actually? The poem was this, Panraksha, keeping of a promise. He started to recite a poem. The name of the poem was actually Panraksha. Actually, this poem was written by Tagore. And who is the Tagore here? Tagore is actually Rabindranath Tagore. Many of you might know. And Panraksha is the name of the poem written by him, and which means actually keeping up of a promise. So when you keep your promise, that's what the meaning of this word actually. And then after reciting the poem, he left the shop, making the gesture of namaste with his hands to nobody in particular. So actually when he completed his reciting of the poem, he just left from the shop, and while leaving the shop he just make a gesture of namaste. Gesture means what, student? When you are making a motion of your hands, indicating someone something, it's known as actually gesturing. So he made a gesture of namaste with his hands. And when we actually make a gesture of namaste, we generally denote to someone, but here in this case he wasn't denoting any one particular. He was just saying namaste, and whom he was saying, Aditya and narrator was not sure about that.